we're putting in heavy cream.
Mascarpone, is that right? Yeah. 8 ounces with probably the rest of this, which is like a cup and a half of powdered sugar. See, so when you pick this up, those peaks, they need to be stiff. So we'll finish. See how you see the peaks right there?
Yeah.
And they're not going anywhere? That's how it's done. If you keep going, it'll turn into butter. So don't do that. This needs to go in the fridge.
It needs to stay cold until it's ready to be used.
Now what are we doing?
And then there's coffee behind you, and just pour in like a tablespoon. Just pour a little bit. Pour. Okay, stop.
Now we're going to put the cheese mix into the cream mix.
To create the tiramisu mousse.
Gina, what if I was in a cooking show? I think I'd do good.
There's a lot of cooking shows out there.
Now what do we add?
Okay.
So this is how it looks like.
Okay, so let's mix it.
You want plastic plates?
What kind of kitchen piece are you in? You're so funny.
Not over here.
Okay, so the cookies need to get soaked.
No paper.
My bracelet.
All right, Megan, what are you doing? What are you in charge of? So here we are
So
pouring
there's the coffee.
pouring the coffee. Very strong espresso coffee.
Now you put those in there, just like this.
Wow.
Look at that.
Chad is helping us by
Not really.
taking care of
I'm not
Russell.
helping. I'm not even claiming to be helping.
You're just gonna put one
You are alright. Everything.
Wow.
mix right there, okay?
So now we're going to get the cocoa powder.
People dancing around.
You're going to
Oh.
Powder it on.
Do you want to sit on
Then get another half of the ladyfinger. That is now the cake
right there?
soaked in tiramisu. Place it on top.
What is this?
And then topping.
Whoa.
Whoa!
and make sure it's nice and filled.
You are. Okay. Why is mommy going to get something out there?
She's gonna get one last thing, she said.
What is it?
No one knows yet.
Very cool if she's over in there.
Okay, so load the chocolate.
What machine is this?
It's just shaving. So like you put cheese in here mostly, and you shave it over your pasta. But right now we need shaved chocolate. So you put that down there, and now it's gonna come out that side.
Oh, yeah.
Dad, the chocolate chips.
It's so fun.
We got the cake. Now what do we do next,
I did
Megan?
it. No, I did it. Chocolate.
We put the chocolate powder.
No, I did it.
Tap, 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 tap.
Tap, 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 tap.
Shred the chocolate.
I did it. Chocolate.
Uh-oh, wrong way, honey. Wrong way, darling.
Chocolate. Enough.
Yep, that's enough.
No, I did it.
We're going to get our piping bag. And
No, I did it. I know.
do it. Go, Quinn. Go, Quinn.
Go, 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 go.
All done.
Nope.
Now what's next?
Chocolate.
Chocolate
powder.
Tap, tap, tap.
Tap, 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 tap.
Tap, 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 tap.
Is it
tap,
done
tap,
yet?
tap. No, we're gonna need more. Okay. Now what's
Chop.
next?
Chop.
Shred it. Yes.
No, I did it. Hey, I need chocolate. When? You're doing powder.
Now we got our first layer done. Oh, Megan, tap.
Alright.
Tap, 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 tap. Go. Tap, 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 tap. Please. Yay.
Whoa, Quinn.
Okay.
You did a lot. Now chocolate?
Now chocolate.
Nine, good, yeah.
So this is the finished result.
All done. Look how beautiful that looks.
Good, Angel?
Yes, it's good.
Really good?
Yes, it's really good.